Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel.
Hi guys! If you understand English but can't speak in daily life, this video is for you.
Yes, today we'll practice simple English sentences you can use every day.
At home.
At the office.
And in the market.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat with us. Now let's talk about Part 1, Daily Use English at Home.
Anna, let's start with home.
Sure, these are very common sentences. Now we are going to talking about home conversation. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Have you had breakfast?
Yes, I had breakfast.
What are you doing now?
I'm getting ready for work.
Don't forget your keys.
Thanks for reminding me. Listeners, these sentences are used daily.
Yes, very simple and very useful. Now let's talk about Part 2, Daily Use English at Office.
Now let's move to office English.
This part will help working professionals.
Now we are going to talking about office conversation. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Ryan. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Are you busy right now?
A little. What's up?
Can we discuss the project?
Sure, let's talk after the meeting.
Okay, I'll send you an email.
That sounds good.
Office English should be polite and clear.
Yes, short sentences work best. Now let's talk about Part 3, Daily Use English at Market.
Now the market, very important for daily life.
Yes, especially for beginners.
Now we are going to talking about market conversation.
Excuse me, how much is this?
It's 200 rupees.
Is it fresh?
Yes, it is fresh.
Can you give a discount?
Sorry, that's the final price.
Okay, I'll take it.
Here you go.
Very simple sentences.
And very practical. Now we are going to talking about quick practice round. Let's do a quick revision.
Repeat after us.
I'm getting ready for work.
Are you busy right now?
How much is this?
I'll take it.
If this video helped you learn daily English,
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
in our next video, we'll practice English speaking through short conversations.
Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next video.